Eraswap token is subject to market risk. Read Eraswap white paper, terms and conditions, and roadmap before participating.
Eraswap with KYC DAP is building a blockchain-based identity system that offers multi-level verification to the entire Eraswap ecosystem. It is a DAP introduced in Eraswap charge-free blockchain network for Eraswap user safety with the aim to follow global norms with respect to the global standards for anti-money laundering, AML, and combating financing of terrorism, CFT. It works like a gatekeeper to restrict the entry of scammers and imposters doing fraudulent or malicious activities. Here are some unique features of KYC DAP. Transparency. Single KYC stop for complete Eraswap ecosystem. Data immutability. Active monitoring. Data security. You become trustworthy user of Eraswap community. Let's learn how to use KYC DAP. How to load your Eraswap wallet. Step 1, click on Start Your KYC and then proceed using Eraswap Live. Step 2, you'll be redirected to Eraswap Live. Click on Load Wallet, choose anyone, key store file or access through mnemonic or private key. If accessing through key store file, then choose the key store file, enter the password, click on Load Wallet. If accessing through private key, then enter your private key, click on Access Wallet. If accessing the mnemonics, then follow these steps, enter your mnemonics, click on Access My Wallet. Step 4, after logging in successfully you will be redirected to KYC DAP. How to connect to the introducer. Step 1, once you connect your wallet there will be this pop-up. Step 2, here enter your referral address. Step 3, click on Connect to Introducer. Now you are connected to Introducer, but for day swappers to get this data you have to resolve your KYC, which will be shown in the end, so stay tuned. How to complete KYC. Step 1, click on Start Your KYC. Step 2, enter the username and pay 28.35 ES to complete KYC level 0. Choose username wisely. Once registered, you cannot change. Step 3, click on Register and complete KYC level 0. KYC level 0 is for them who just want to use Eraswap ecosystem, for them KYC level 0 is enough. Step 4, click on Next and, you'll be taken to KYC level 1. Do KYC level 1 if you want to utilize Eraswap social network, Swappers Wall, and participate in Eraswap ecosystem incentives to earn incentives from Time Ally Club and Day Swappers Club. Step 5, enter all required details. Step 6, submit required documents and once uploaded click on Submit. If you want to prioritize your KYC you can mail for same to info@eraswapfoundation.com or text on Eraswap official Telegram channel to prioritize your KYC review. Do KYC level 2 and 3 if you want to provide professional services on any of Eraswap platforms which might require qualification and eligibility, then you should apply for KYC 2. Step 1, once you click on Next you can start level 2 KYC. Step 2, KYC level 2 is platform based, click on respective platform. Step 3, submit required details on the respective form and click on Submit. Step 4, when level 2 is completed you'll be redirected to another step. Here you can leave a message for admin and then click on Sign this message. If you want to prioritize your KYC you can mail for same to info@eraswapfoundation.com or text on Eraswap official Telegram channel to prioritize your KYC review. How to connect with day swappers after completing KYC. How to resolve KYC. Step 1, once your KYC is approved by admin, go to www.dayswappers.com. Step 2, go to Day Swappers dashboard. Step 3, click on Resolve My KYC to connect your verified wallet to Day Swappers. After approval of each level KYC you shall go on Day Swappers to update your KYC by clicking on Resolve My KYC. Now that you know how to complete your KYC, Make sure you do it. KYC DAP is one-stop platform for Eraswap ecosystem interlinked platforms to complete multi-level KYC in a single place.